Hello guys, what's up? So I am using Snapchat original sparkling filter. This is the filter, sparkling filter by Snapchat. In this video I am going to show you how you can find this filter. Let me turn the camera. You can visit this website. Link to this website you can find in the description box below. You can just scan the code with your Snapchat mobile app. In this pop-up, tap on unlock for 24 hours. And this filter will be unlocked for you for 24 hours. If you are browsing this website in your mobile device, this is the website. Just tap on the code and open with Snapchat. Unlock for 24 hours. So that's it guys. Likewise you can find sparkling filter on Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.